welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to be making this big shopping bag. You can also call it tote bag. That is what we are going to be making in this video. If this is what you are interested in, please stay tuned and watch to the end. Our measurement is 12 by 15 inches. 12 by 15 inches. We need 2 pieces of it. So the front side, we need a belt just to put design. The belt is 15 inches long, so we are going to use it to put our design. We'll sew it to the front just like that. So I've sewn it. Can you see it? I've sewn it. I just measured 6 inches down and I sew it there just to put the side. So the handle is 16 inches long. We need 2. 16 inches long. We need 2 of it. Then we'll fold in 1 inch and then we'll put our handle inside and stitch it down. That is what I'm about to do now. So if this is your first time of stopping by, if this is your first time of seeing my channel, you are welcome. My name is Elijah Alice, and on this channel we do everything bag making. We do bag, we do different types of bag, lunch box and school bag, traveling bag. So if you are a returning subscriber, thank you. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe, like and share this video. You are welcome to my channel. This is Edo Bagmaker Alice Cape. So now we will now stitch it down. After stitching it that way, we measure 4 inches from this side and 4 inches from the other side. We'll fix our handle. We'll now stitch it down that way. We'll stitch it down, take the handle back and stitch it. So I'm done stitching it. Can you see what we have? So just do it the way you see it. So the next thing to do now is to measure the body round. We're going to take the front piece, we'll measure it round, and then after measuring it round, we'll know what to cut as the base. So when we measure it round, we have 37 inches. 37 inches, but we are going to cut 39. The base will be 39 inches long, so that we can fold 1 inch from both sides. We'll use 1 inch as our sewing allowance on both sides of the base. So we will cut 39. That is what we will cut. So now it's 39. Our base is 39 by 6. 39 by 6. Can you see? We are taking 1 inches to sew on both sides so that we have our 37. So you are welcome to my channel. Thank you for watching our videos. Please try and watch our videos to the end. And at the end of this video, we have other videos that will pop up. Please watch, subscribe if you are not yet subscribed, like our video and share our video. Please drop your comments in the comment section. If you have any comment, please drop it in the comment section. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section and I will attend to you. So if you're on the screen, you will see my WhatsApp number. If you have any bag contract that you want to give us, you can WhatsApp me. My number is on the screen, as you can see. So now we are done sewing the front. We will also sew the back the same way we sew the front. You see the way I'm doing it. That is how you will fold it and then you will stitch it round. That's what I'm about to do now. So I am done sewing it. Our bag is ready. Can you see it? It's very, very beautiful. I want you to try it out and give me your feedback. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for staying with us. Thank you for supporting us. God bless you. Bye. See you in my next video.